everyone, it's Brad here. Now before we get started, if you're new to Irish tenor banjo, please do grab my free Banjo Basics ebook. Link will be in the description below. It's perfect for beginners learning chords, picking and simple exercises, so do check that link out. Now today I've put together an absolute beginner's simple exercise that will get you sounding musical straight away. We're going to start with a D major chord using just 3 strings. So again, super simple. 2nd fret on the E string, that's our first note here. Open A and open D. We ignore the low G for this exercise. Now in bar 1 we play 2 half notes, so each strum lasts for 2 full beats. So if you count with me, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So super simple, that is bar number 1. Let's move on to bar 2. We've played the same D major chord, but just 1 long strum that lasts for the entire bar. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 while we hold that chord down. So again, we've got our D major chord, let's try that together. So that's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just count to 4. So I'm going to quickly put bars 1 and 2 together. Here we go. So I'll give us a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's bars 1 and 2 done. Now for something a little bit more melodic, we're going to move on to a G major arpeggio. Now arpeggios are basically where we're picking notes out of a chord, but just sort of making an exercise out of it. Okay, so here's the notes. The D string, 5th fret, you can either use your pinky or ring for this one. 2nd fret on the A string, 5th fret also on the A string, and then 3rd fret on the E. And then we go back in reverse. So 5th fret on the D, 2nd fret on the A, 5th fret on the A, 3rd fret on the E, and then backwards. G, B, D, G, D, B, G. So let's just again pick that nice and slowly together. Here we go. Okay, so here is the full 4-bar exercise. Again, it started with bar 1 with the D major chord, just 2 half note strums. Bar 2, D major chord, but 1 whole note strum. And then bars 3 and 4 is walking through that G major arpeggio. Let's play the whole thing from the top. I'll give you a count of 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there it is, just a super simple exercise for absolute beginners. If this has helped you out, hit that like and subscribe. Don't forget to download my free Banjo Basics ebook using the link in the description below. And I'll see you again in the next lesson.